Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display content, widget, column or container for specific cities or multiple cities in Elementor WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write dynamic visibility for Elementor. So this is plugin dynamic visibility for Elementor we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation we are going to install one more plugin. Now you see geolocation IP detection. So we are going to install this plugin also. In search plugin write geolocation IP detection. So this is plugin geolocation IP detection we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So these both plugin work together. So after activation, now go to Elementor page and refresh the page, and then you see we have adding widget, text widget. So click on it. Now you see visibility option. Again click on it. So we are in edit container. So we are in visibility, and then you see dynamic visibility. Enable this option, and then you see multiple option. Again you see display mode. So we are going to display content for multiple or specific cities. So we select show. Now you see, and then you see trigger. Now click on it, and then you see geotargeting. So click on it. Again you see geotargeting, expand it. Now you see city. So you can add multiple cities according to requirement, separated by comma. So you can add Islamabad, Lahore. You can add New York, Washington. So you can add any city, and your content will display on that city location. So we are going to add cities. So first we added New York City and then click on update. So this content will appear on New York location. Now update done, go to Elementor page and refresh the page. But our location is Islamabad. Now you see we don't see any content because our location is Islamabad. Now go to Elementor page. So we are going to add more cities separated by comma. So we added New York, Islamabad, Lahore, separated by comma, and then click on update. So you can add cities according to requirement. Now update done, go to Elementor page again and refresh the page. Now again you see content because our location detected. So in this way you can display content for specific or multiple cities. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.